Your turf is rolled out and relaxed. Now it's time to connect the pieces together. This is called seaming. When done right, your lawn will look flawless and stay tight for years. There are 3 main ways to seam turf: seam fabric and glue, straight seam; seam fabric and glue, S-seam; straight seam using nails only. All 3 methods can work well, but some require more experience than others. In this video, we'll demonstrate the nail-only straight seam, a simple and popular approach many DIY installers use. It's quick, easy to learn, and can still achieve a clean finish when done carefully. Now that you have all your blades facing in the same direction and the rolls have been left in the sun to expand, bring the edges together with about 1/8 of an inch gap so the blades meet naturally and not overlap. Once your edges are lined up, start setting your turf nails along both sides of the seam. Most installers use 3.5 to 6-inch nails depending on soil conditions. In general, harder ground may require shorter nails, while softer soil may call for longer ones to ensure a secure hold. Place each nail about 2 to 3 inches apart, staggering them in a zipper pattern for maximum hold and a tight, natural finish. Always spread the fibers open before you nail, so the head rests flat on the backing, not on the blades. Tap lightly. You want the nail snug, but not buried into the base. Once the main seam is nailed, add a stabilization row of nails, about 1 foot out from the seam on each side. Space the nails roughly 1 foot apart, running parallel to the seam. This locks the seam in place, so you can use a carpet kicker later for final stretching without shifting the seam. Once the seam is nailed, run your fingers through the blades and give it a few firm passes. This lifts the blades upright and blends both sides together until the seam line disappears. With your seams locked in and stabilized, you're ready for the next step: cutting and securing your turf edges. That's where everything ties together.